Hello and welcome to the CCD Guide video tutorial Edit Object. The Edit Object tab is the fourth tab of CCD Guide. With this tab you can create new objects which are missing in the master database. These new objects are saved in the UserMDB. To create a new object, click the New button, then select the catalog. You have three options. If the new object is a comet, please enter the name using the nomenclature of Minor Planet Center and the comet name, then click Save. Solar. The new object is a minor planet. Please enter the name of the minor planet, then click Save. The third option is Unlisted. The new object is a deep sky object. Please enter the name of the object and the object type. All other fields are optional. Must fields are indicated by the blue color and optional fields are white. Then click the Save button. The data table of the Edit Object tab lists all objects of type Comet, Solar and Unlisted, which can be found in the master database and in the user database. When you are working with the Edit Object tab, then you are automatically in the edit mode of an object data row. The blue color indicates the active data row. You will notice that you cannot edit or delete object with source is identified with master. When you activate an object data row with source identified with user, then you can edit the data fields. When you click Save, then the modifications of the data fields are saved. When you click Delete, then this data row will be deleted. When you capture comets very often, then it makes sense not to enter new comets manually, but to import the new comets from the Minor Planet Center. You have to be connected with the internet to be able to use this function. Click on the Import Comets button to import all observable comets into your object database from the Minor Planet Center. The Clear Comets button removes all comets which are not used in the CCD Guide database.